Here are 99 names of Allah, Asma'ul Husna, with brief meanings. 1. Allah, God, the greatest name. 2. Ar-Rahman, the most compassionate, abundantly merciful. 3. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, intensely kind and merciful. 4. Al-Malik, the sovereign, the absolute ruler. 5. Al-Qudus, the holy, pure and perfect. 6. As-Salam, the source of peace, free from all flaws. 7. Al-Mu'min, the guardian of faith, the confirmer of truth. 8. Al-Muhaymin, the protector, the watchful guardian. 9. Al-Aziz, the mighty, the invincible and honorable. 10th. Al-Jabbar, the compeller, the one who mends and restores. 11th. Al-Mutakabir, the majestic, the possessor of greatness. 12th. Al-Khaliq, the creator, the originator of all. 13th. Al-Bari, the maker, the fashioner. 14th. Al-Musawwir, the shaper, the bestower of forms. 15. Al-Ghaffar, the forgiving, the repeatedly forgiving. 16. Al-Qahhar, the subduer, the all-prevailing. 17. Al-Wahhab, the bestower, the giver of gifts. 18. Ar-Razak, the provider, the sustainer. 19. Al-Fatah, the opener, the judge and revealer. 20. Al-Alim, the all-knowing, the omniscient. 21. Al-Qabid, the withholder, the restrainer. 22. Al-Basit, the expander, the reliever. 23. Al-Kafid, the abaser, the humbler. 24. Ar-Rafi, the exalter, the elevator. 25. Al-Mu'iz, the honorer, the giver of might. 26. Al-Muzil, the dishonorer, the giver of disgrace. 27. As-Sami, the all-hearing, the one who hears all. 28. Al-Basir, the all-seeing, the one who sees all. 29. Al-Hakam, the judge, the ultimate arbiter. 30. Al-Adl, the just, the perfectly equitable. 31. Al-Latif, the subtle, the gentle and kind. 32. Al-Kabir, the all-aware, the well-informed. 33. Al-Halim, the forbearing, the clement. 34. Al-Azim, the magnificent, the grand. 35th. Al-Ghafur, the most forgiving, the greatly forgiving. 36th. Ash-Shakur, the appreciative, the rewarder of thankfulness. 37th. Al-Ali, the most high, the exalted. 38th. Al-Kabir, the greatest, the most grand. 39th. Al-Hafiz, the preserver, the protector. 40. Al-Muqit, the nourisher, the maintainer. 41. Al-Hasib, the reckoner, the sufficient. 42. Al-Jalil, the majestic, the possessor of glory. 43. Al-Karim, the generous, the noble and bountiful. 44. Ar-Raqib, the watchful, the ever-vigilant. 45th. Al-Mujib, the responsive, the answerer of prayers. 46th. Al-Wasi, the vast, the all-encompassing. 47th. Al-Hakim, the wise, the possessor of wisdom. 48th. Al-Wadud, the loving, the affectionate. 49th. Al-Majid, the glorious, the most honorable. 50. Al-Ba'ith, the resurrector, the raiser of the dead. 51. Ash-Shahid, the witness, the all-observing. 52. Al-Haq, the truth, the absolute truth. 53. Al-Wakil, the trustee, the dependable advocate. 54. Al-Qawiyi, the strong, the all-powerful. 55. Al-Matin, the firm, the steadfast. 56. Al-Wali, the protecting friend, the supporter. 57. Al-Hamid, the praiseworthy, the all-laudable. 58. Al-Muhsi, the counter, the reckoner of all. 59. Al-Mubdi, the originator, the initiator. 60. Al-Mu'id, the restorer, the Punarjeevit Karne Wala, 61. Al-Muhi, the giver of life, the life bestower, 62. Al-Mumit, the taker of life, the death causer, 63. Al-Hayy, the ever-living, the eternally alive, 64. Al-Qayyum, the self-sustaining, the independent, 65. Al-Wajid, the finder, the perceiver, 66. Al-Majid, the noble, the illustrious, 67. Al-Wahid, the unique, the one and only, 68. As-Samad, the eternal refuge, the self-sufficient, 69. Al-Qadir, the capable, the all-powerful, 70. Al-Muqtadir, the all-powerful, the dominator, 71. Al-Muqaddim, the advancer, the expediter, 72. Al-Mu'akhir, the delayer, the postponer, 73. Al-Awwal, the first, the beginningless, 74. Al-Akhir, the last, the endless, 75. Az-Zahir, the manifest, the evident, 76. Al-Batin, the hidden, the concealed, 77. Al-Wali, the governor, the ruler, 78. Al-Muta'ali, the exalted, the most high, 79. Al-Bar, the righteous, the benevolent, 80th. At-Tawwab, the acceptor of repentance, the oft-returning, 81st. Al-Muntaqim, the avenger, the retributor, 82nd. Al-Afu, the pardoner, the forgiver, 83rd. Ar-Ra'uf, the kind, the compassionate, 84th. Malikul Mulk, the owner of sovereignty, the possessor of all dominion, 85. Dul Jalal wal Ikram, the Lord of majesty and generosity, the possessor of glory and honor, 86. Equitable, the just, 87. Al-Jami, the gatherer, the collector, 88. Al-Ghaniyai, the rich, the self-sufficient, 89. Al-Mughni, the enricher, the bestower of wealth, 90. Al-Mani, the preventer, the withholder, 91. Ad-Dar, the harmer, the afflictor, in his wisdom, 9.